What's going on, guys? Back out here at the land today, and just doing some cleaning up today. That's all we're planning on doing. Got the lawnmower with me. I'm gonna unload the lawnmower. We're gonna cut the grass out here. It's kind of late in the afternoon. If you saw my last video, had some issues with the work truck, but got it fixed. So I'm getting out here kind of late. So the plan is get the grass cut. Once I get the grass cut, I brought the chainsaw with me. And I may try to start working on some of these stumps. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to get them cut as low and level with the ground as possible. I am going to get like a stump grinder or something, get them all ground up, get all that taken care of. But as you guys know, stump grinders cost money. So the lower I can cut it to the ground, the quicker it'll take them to get rid of them. Saves me money. So cut the grass, cut some stumps. It's gonna be a good day. So y'all just hang out and I'll take you along. Alright guys, just got done cutting grass and it's a cut okay. I wasn't trying to get it perfect. I was just trying to get it good enough to where, you know, we're out here working and stuff, grass ain't knee high. And I know it's November, but down here in South Mississippi, it got up to 78 degrees today. So snakes can still be kind of moving around and that kind of thing. So just wanted to get it looking a little better. So as you can see, got the grass cut, got it looking nice. Over there around the pond, I got the levee cut. There's a little bit of grass I didn't get cut right here because I'm gonna have to get my weed eater, come over here, cut that. I got the pond cut, got all this cut, got everything looking good. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start working on those stumps. I brought my shovel because I got a feeling I was probably gonna have to dig around them a little bit first. Don't know how many I'm gonna get to. Gonna try to just get to as many as I can and start cutting them. Try to get them as level as I can with the ground. So when the stump grinder guy comes and cuts them, you know, it won't take him that long. So let's get started. I'm calling it. My chainsaw is really dull. It keeps stretching the chain. So let me call it before I tear this thing up. I'll come back out here tomorrow with a chainsaw sharpener and plenty of bar oil, sharpen these girls up. Come back out here tomorrow, finish tackling this thing. This is a big old stump here. See, I had to cut it in sections and still ain't through it. Plus I'm trying to scoot around these ants here, do the ant dance. So anyways, all right, I think I'm gonna call it right there. Come back out here and start fresh tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, day 2, back out here at the land and fixing to get started on these stumps again. I brought extra blade, sharpener, bar oil, gas, everything, so we should be good today. So Gotta continue to work on these stumps. So let's get going. All right, that one had a bunch of ants in it, so kind of a problem. But let's move on to the next one. All right, guys, change of plans. Decided to take a break from cutting all them stumps and stuff over here. What we're gonna do, pick all this stuff up right here. Try to pick everything up from around this tree because this tree is dead and it's got to go. So what we're gonna do is pick all this stuff up, make it all nice and clean so we ain't gotta try to work around it, and then we're gonna cut her down. So sit tight. I feel like one of those world's strongest man guys. Atlas stone pickup. As you get closer to the stump, bigger they get. Strong man, baby. Woo! As Ronnie Coleman would say, lightweight, baby! Lightweight! Lightweight! You know, sometimes you just got to get inspiration from wherever. Ric Flair! Woo! Last one. We're gonna go unload. Yeah, I think these are too big. I think I'm gonna wait until I have the tractor on those. They are heavy. But I'm gonna get this one. And I'm gonna pick them stumps up. Oh. Yeah. Ooh, she may be heavier than I want. Oh. Alright. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, boys. Woo! Lightweight. Round 2. Stump game. Where you at? Emily's worried I'm hurting myself. Joke's on her. She don't know how strong I am. Alright, there's a baby one here. Little baby stump. This little baby stump. I'm more worried about critters. Little baby stump action. Alright, next one. You know, I know it's hard work, but there's something refreshing about just knowing that you did a lot of this yourself. I mean, yeah, you could save your money up, hire somebody. They could clean all this up probably, realistically, they could probably clean this whole property in a week. Probably cost you $10,000. I guess. I really don't know. But I can do it myself. Cost me my time. That's okay. I don't mind. And I can take that $10,000 and I can use it towards something else. I've got some things coming down the pipeline that you guys will see later where I need that money. So that's why I'm out here doing this stuff myself. Lightweight, baby. Lightweight. Oh. Plus, getting exercise, which is always nice. It's always a plus. And get to hang out with you guys. So, it's a win-win for everybody. The only thing I'm worried about is we've been in a burn ban for like 2.5 months, 3 months. And my pile is getting pretty big, which is a problem whenever we do go to light it. Because it's going to be a big fire. But it's also an opportunity. Have some friends over. Maybe bring a grill or something over. Cook out. Watch the fire burn. Have some beverages. So, depending on how you look at it, still a win-win. So, you gotta stay positive. Just keep working. Alright, one more stump, and I'm calling it. Last one. Big girl. Oh, big girl. She thick. Thick with 2 C's, baby. Oh. Let's see how I'm gonna do this. If I can just get her right here, I'd call that success. Alright. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. Woo! Thick girl. Now, maybe my driver won't throw it off. To the pile. Alright. I got a big tree I'm fixing to cut, so I came prepared. I'm gonna change blades out on this thing. I got a freshie I'm gonna put on here. That way I ain't trying to fight it, and I know she's good to go. So I'm gonna change this blade, and I don't know if y'all hear that or not. It's my dog Zoe's out here with me. She likes chasing squirrels and rabbits and lizards. She's a lizard killer. Lizard killer. Alright, somebody's shooting out here. I hear them. So we got a freshie on here. You'll put this blade on here. I sharpened all these this morning. I got 2 blades I kind of keep using whenever I need, and try to keep them sharp and ready. Okay, so blade is on. You know, I'm not real good at this. I thought I was, but I always seem to get it on there a little crooked. But got her on there. Okay. Put the cover back on. She's not going on. The holes are lining up. Where are you? It's typically not as hard. I think I'm just tired. Huh, well, maybe I got something on here wrong. Oh, there we go. See there, guys? There we go. There she goes. Well, maybe it just needs to be cleaned a little bit. Yep. Somebody's having some fun today. There we go. Let's tighten it up just a little bit. There we go. Alright, let's do this. Here's the big daddy we fixing to cut. That pine right there. As you can see, it's a big one, and it's dead. Something, I think it was lightning hit it or something. So it's dead, but as you can see by the trunk, she is leaning that way a lot. So I already know she's gonna fall that way. So no big deal. We're gonna cut us a notch, get behind it, cut it, make it fall that way, and she'll be good to go. So let's do it. Yeah! Chainsaw didn't want to go all the way through it, but kept working at it. We got it. Whew! We got that big daddy right there cut. And that's a pretty big one there. I'm not going to fool with cutting it up and picking it up today just because I done run out of steam, but let me show you how big this tree was. So there's the stump. There's my hand sitting on it. So as you can see, it was a big daddy. So that's why it took me a minute. My saw didn't want to cut all the way through it, so I had to kind of work it from both sides. But we got her cut. So appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.